Hello students, now here in this video we are going to revise the topics about prokaryotes and eukaryotes. These are the topics that we have to revise here, like prokaryotes and eukaryotes, like given here prokaryotes, eukaryotes. And when we have discussed these two topics while starting the chapter, when we have discussed during I have told you about the prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Okay, so here we are revising the meaning of the prokaryotes and also the eukaryotes. So general simplification of the cell, these two are the type of the cells, and you know very well that about the type of the cells कि cells are present in each and every organism, whether of plant or animal. cells कहाँ present हो सकती हैं? किसी भी प्लांट और एनिमल में हो सकती हैं. तो जो सेल्स होती हैं साइंटिफिकली, साइंस के अकॉर्डिंग जो सेल्स होती हैं, तो दीज सेल्स आर appearing in their shape, size differently in plants and animals. So this is the cell of the bacteria and this is the cell of the animal. Okay, like we can say this is of our self cell. Okay, now so these all are like bacteria. You have studied in the chapter कि why do we fall ill. So you have studied that bacteria are harmful for us and also the useful, and bacteria we can in curd also, in curd there are bacteria also be present here. Okay, so bacteria are harmful as well as beneficial for us, and this is the cell of the animal. तो animal cells हैं, plant cells हैं, these are the different in structure. You have studied already in the in this chapter, and also we will also revise about the animal and plant cell also again in this chapter. So here we are describing that what are the prokaryotes and eukaryotes. So simply the meaning of these cells, that prokaryotes and eukaryotes, the meaning is that these names are given on the basis of the nucleus. When the nucleus is present, now you can see here I am circling here, making the circle. When nucleus, well defined nucleus is present in the cell, those cells are called eukaryotes. Remember here, when nucleus is present, the cells are called eukaryotes, and when nucleus is not present, or the nucleus if present that is very less developed, this is called the prokaryotes. It means to say इन प्रोकार्योट्स में न्यूक्लियस क्या होता है, प्रेजेंट नहीं होता है. अगर होता भी है तो वो बहुत लेस डेवलप होगा, और जैसा कि उसे दिखाई देना चाहिए किसी भी सेल में वो वैसा नहीं दिखता है, वो बिल्कुल लेस डेवलप होता है, ना के बराबर, या फिर होता ही नहीं है. जबकि यूकारियोटिक सेल में क्या होगा, यूकारियोटिक सेल में जो न्यूक्लियस है वो पूरी तरह से वेल डेवलप होगा. यू का मतलब होता है दैट इज़ द कम्प्लीटली डेवलप्ड इन द सेल. तो यूकारियोटिक सेल मोस्टली these cells are present mostly in plant and animal. These are present mostly in plants and animals. Okay, so especially about when we are talking here about the prokaryotes, so prokaryotes these are mainly bacteria. It means to say prokaryote there are very less example of the prokaryotes, so mostly prokaryotic cell are bacteria. Okay, so remember that is the sufficient example. The prokaryotic cell are the bacteria, but the eukaryotic cell are animal cell and plant cells, like human body, like you can say any plant name. Okay, so those all are the eukaryotic cell. But why? Because the nucleus is very well developed in those all eukaryotic cell. So this is the difference on the basis of presence or absence of the nucleus. This is the main difference. Now you can see here also that in prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Okay, so in prokaryotes what happen, that there is the nucleus in the center. Okay, so what does the mean of the nucleus? Because there is no nucleus. So when the genetic material, you know that DNA is present, chromosome is present in every or each cell in the nucleus. So when the nucleus is absent, already we know, so that's why the gene is present in the form of circular ring. So when the gene is present in the circular ring like this, okay, and this gene is present in the center, So that part is called the nucleode. So nucleode is present only in bacteria, but this is absent in eukaryotes. Remember here, nucleode present in bacteria but absent in eukaryotes, or you can say nucleode present in prokaryotes but absent in eukaryotes. Okay. And next thing you must have to remember that, like I am marking here, that like cytoplasmic membrane, endoplasmic reticulum, and also nucleus, nucleolus, nuclear membrane, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, chloroplast. Clear? These all where we have marked here, and also we have make the circle here. So these all organelles are absent in bacteria, but these all organelles are present in animal cell or plant cell. You must have to remember these all cell organelle, यानी कि सेल के अंदर भी बहुत सारे ऑर्गन्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं, तो दोज ऑल ऑर्गन्स आर कॉल्ड सेल ऑर्गेनल्स. तो these all cell organelles are absent in this bacteria or prokaryotic cell. Must have to remember here. So these all are the major difference and also the meaning of prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Okay. Now next thing about the mitochondria. Okay, this is also a type of the cell organelle that is present in plant cell and animal cell but absent in prokaryotic cell. Must have to remember the mitochondria. This is the diagram of the mitochondria, and also that how do they look in their shape and size. So this is the overall the diagram of the mitochondria, and where are they present? The mitochondria are present in animal cell and plant cell, especially in eukaryotic cell. This the presence of the mitochondria is the characteristic feature of eukaryotic cell. So this is absent in prokaryotic cell. Okay, so especially mitochondria you have studied earlier. These are the powerhouse of the cell. So why are they powerhouse of the cell? Because they produces the energy for the cell in the form of ATP. That's why called powerhouse of the cell. Clear? This is the very important question for your examination. The mitochondria are called powerhouse of the cell because of producing the energy, and energy is produced always be in the form of ATP. Now this is also a question that in which form the energy is produced in the cell. So energy is produced in the form of ATP in the cell, and those are produced especially in the mitochondria. So must have to remember. Okay, there must be no confusion. And these all are the structural part, like matrix, like crusty, like inner membrane. Okay, and also space, respiratory chain system. So must have to remember here. You must have to remember about the crusty and also their importance, and also the inner membrane. So inner membrane, that make the crusty, and those crusty helpful in producing the ATP. So must have to remember the ATP are produced in the structures, those are present over the crusty, यानी कि crusty के ऊपर भी, like you can see these are crusty. Okay, and here these structures are present. So in these structures the ATP are produced, and this is the crusty, and the crusty are formed by the inner membrane. Okay, so must have to remember crusty are the most important place, but also the matrix. So you must have to remember the function of this crusty and also these structures called F1 oxysome. Okay, like I am repeating here, this is crusty and these are F1 oxysome, like these are F1 oxysome. Okay, so this is all about the prokaryotes, eukaryotes, and also the mitochondria. Okay, still if you have any confusion, then you can discuss with me. Okay, thank you.